Hello, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Now today I'll be showing you how I make this delicious chicken and spaghetti stir fry. So if you're new here, welcome. And to my oldies, thanks for always being here. Let's get started. So I've gone ahead and prepped my veggies. I have some broccoli, some cabbage, I have some carrot, some snow peas. I have a mixture of red and yellow bell peppers, some red onions, and over here I have some chicken thighs deboned and cut into strips. I have some cornstarch. I have some chicken season complete seasoning, black pepper, and I have some honey, some garlic and ginger paste, some soy sauce, and some A1 sauce. Now I'm just going to go ahead and season my meat with my seasoning. Oh, and I forget I added some Cajun season to this, and I'm just going to go in with a little bit of the A1 sauce and my cornstarch, and I'm just going to give this a good mix and set it aside to marinate for about 30 minutes. Now I'm just going to go ahead and prepare my sauce. So to my dish, I'm going to go ahead and add my ginger paste and my garlic paste. And I'm going to go in with the honey. I'm going to go in with my soy sauce. And I'm going to go in with some cornstarch for thickener. And I'm going to add some water. And I'm just going to mix this to dissolve, and that's just about it for the sauce. We will show you how this becomes nice and glossy later on. Now in a pot with boiling water, I'm just going to go ahead and add my spaghetti, and I'm going to cook this according to package instruction, or you could just cook this however you like it. If you like it on the al dente side, you could go ahead and do that, or if you like it cooking a little bit softer, you cook it to your desired texture that you want. I like it a little bit al dente because it's going to go in the sauce and it's going to continue cooking again, so I like mine on the al dente side. Now I'm just going to strain this, and I'm going to run some cold water on this to stop the cooking action here, because as I mentioned before, it's going to get cooked again in the sauce, so we don't want to overcook this too much. Now in my wok, I'm just going to go in with some vegetable oil, and I'm just gonna fry up my pieces of meat. But of course, you don't have to do it in single layer like I am doing, but unless I want mine to have a little bit of color, you could just go ahead and stir fry this. I want mine to have a little bit of texture and a little bit of color, so I'm just gonna fry these up until they are fully cooked and have a little brown on the outside. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove these and continue on with the rest of them. Now in that same pot, I'm just going to lower my heat a bit and go in with my veggies, and I'm going to stir fry these for roughly about 3 to 5 minutes. We don't want to overcook them, and I won't be adding any salt or any seasoning to the veggies because the soy sauce is a little bit salty and we don't want to over salt our dish. Remember, you could you could add the salt, but you can't take out the salt. So guys, you want to go light on the salt. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add my veggies, and I'm going to stir fry these for roughly about 5 minutes too as well. You want to keep moving. You don't want to leave this. You want to keep tossing and tossing until everything is nice and, a little bit crunchy, but also tender. Now I'm just going to go ahead and add my spaghetti. Now you add as much or as little as you like. And to this, I'm going to go ahead and add my sauce. Now the sauce is going to get thick once it hits the pan and start coating the veggies and the spaghetti. You don't really need to cook the sauce before, because once you start tossing and tossing, the cornstarch is going to start thicken up and create that nice, glossy and delicious sauce. And I go ahead and add my chicken, and the dish is basically finished, guys. You want to toss and make sure that every last bit of veggies and noodles and chicken is covered in that sauce. And that's basically it, guys. Now, if you like what you see thus far, give this video a big thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed, consider doing so by hitting the red subscription bell and turn on the post notification so you never miss any of my future uploads. Now guys, this is perfect just as is. I'm gonna show you how I serve this up in a bit, and let me tell you guys, you don't have to eat the same boring meal every day. Just change it up a bit, and listen, better than takeout, trust me. I went ahead and garnished with some green onions or scallion, whatever you want to call it, and that's basically it, guys. Very filling meal. Now this is how I plate mine up. Thank you so much for watching. If you try this recipe and you like it, leave me a comment down in the comment section telling me what you think about it. And also you could tag me on Instagram at Toya's Kitchen to let me see your creation. Until then, my beautiful people, I thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Have a good day and bye for now.